Established in the early 19th century, the Bogor Botanical Gardens are among the oldest and most expansive in Southeast Asia. Home to over 15,000 species of plants and trees, this lush oasis is a haven for nature lovers and researchers alike. Towering over the city, Mount Salak is a dormant volcano wrapped in dense rainforest. Hikers are drawn to its misty trails, waterfalls, and panoramic viewpoints, while locals consider it a spiritually significant site. Located on the slopes of Mount Salak, this grand Balinese Hindu temple is one of the largest outside Bali. Its tiered roofs, serene courtyards, and mountain backdrop make it a peaceful place of worship and cultural appreciation.